Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Polish Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Polish. Imagine this. You walk into a cafe in Warsaw. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. Someone smiles at you and says something in Polish. You freeze. You want to respond. You know this is your moment, but nothing comes out. Not today. Because in the next 15 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to introduce yourself in Polish. Naturally, confidently, and like you actually belong there. Let's begin. First things first, before you introduce yourself, you need to say hello. In Polish, the most common greeting is cześć, pronounced cześć. Say it slowly. Cześć. Again, cześć. This is casual, like hi or hey. If you want something more formal, use dzień dobry, pronounced dzień dobry. Let's slow it down. Dzień dobry. This means good day. You'll use this in shops, with strangers, or in polite situations. Take a moment. Practice both. Cześć. Dzień dobry. Good. Now comes the most important part. Your name. In Polish you say jestem, pronounced jestem. This means I am. For example, jestem Alex. Let's break it down. Jestem means I am. Then your name. Try it now. Jestem. Your name. Again. Slower. Jestem. Your name. Good. Now breathe. Let it settle. Conversations go both ways. After you introduce yourself, you ask, a tie, pronounced ati. This means and you. Example. Jestem Anna. A tie. Try it. Jestem, your name, a T. Nice. You're already having a conversation in Polish. Now imagine the other person responds. You want to be polite. You say, miło mi. pronounced miło mi. This means nice to meet you. Let's break it down. Miło. Me. Again. Miło mi. It's soft, friendly, and very Polish. Use it right after someone says their name. Practice. Miło mi. One more time. Miło mi. Now, let's put everything together. Listen first. Dzień dobry. Jestem Alex. A ty. Miło mi. Now, let's slow it down. Dzień dobry. Jestem Alex. A ty. Miło mi. Now your turn. Say it out loud. Take your time. Here's something important. Polish has levels of politeness. Casual. Cześć, jestem Alex. A ty? Formal. Dzień dobry. Jestem Alex. A pan? A pani. A pan is used when speaking to a man. A pani is used when speaking to a woman. Let's practice. A pan, a pani. These show respect. Use them when meeting someone older or in a formal setting. Now, let's go one step further. To say where you're from, you say jestem z, pronounced jestem z. This means I am from. Example: jestem z Polski. Jestem z USA. Try it. Jestem z, your country. Again. Jestem z, your country. Now combine everything. Jestem Alex. Jestem z Kennedy. Nice and smooth. Let's practice slowly. Repeat after me. Cześć. Jestem. Your name? Jestem z, your country. A ty. Miło mi. Take a breath. Again. A little smoother. Cześć. Jestem your name. Jestem is your country. A ty. Miło mi. Good. You're building rhythm now. Picture this again. You're in Poland. Someone smiles and says, Cześć. You respond, Cześć. Jestem. Your name. They say their name. You reply, miło mi. And just like that, you've crossed the barrier. You're no longer a stranger. You're part of the conversation. Let's recap everything. Cześć. Hi. Dzień dobry. Good day. Jestem? I am. A T. And you. Miło mi. Nice to meet you. Jestem z. I am from. Say them slowly. Let them sink in. This is your foundation. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. And today, you did. In the next lesson, we'll go deeper. But for now, practice this. Say it out loud. Use it. Own it. Because the next time someone speaks to you in Polish, you won't freeze. You'll answer. And that changes everything. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.